usapang ito, titingnan natin ha, kung daanin na lang natin sa face-to-face. Rampa. Ang kalawakan. Rampa ng kalawakan. Kasi yung ganito, ang tawag dyan, rampa ng
Kagandahan.
kagandahan. Ayan.
Wow! May pivot Wow!
Ang gagawin nyo susunod sa ating pagbabalik ay rampa ng kalawakan. Are you ready? Handa na ba kayo? Ayan.
Welcome back sa Miss Gay Pangkalawakan Face-to-Face Edition. How are you, Doc Dex?
I'm good. How are you, Tuesday?
I'm very good. And now it's time, I think, to introduce our finalists in their evening gown. We will begin with our first contestant, Alex. Alex is wearing a one-piece jumpsuit in lace, showing her wonderful brief/panty. And she believes in the saying, "We panty hard, but we panty harder." Candidate number 1, Alex.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, magiging kamukha ni Carla.
Palakpak!
Palakpak.
Hi everyone, my name is Alex, and I am only 20 years old this tenor, all the way from the fishing capital of the Philippines, Navotas City. At naniniwala po ako sa isang katotohanan ng kataga, bago ka magpariban, hininga muna. Thank you.
Wow! Such a piercing comment, Doc Dex.
Very piercing comment. Yeah, Okay.
Let's proceed with
Let's
candidate
proceed.
number 2.
Hindi rin magpapatalo our candidate number 2. Let's hear it from Carla. Okay.
Wow! Carla is also wearing a red ensemble with puff sleeves. And her favorite song is Puff, the Magic Dragon. Candidate number 2.
Carla.
Sabi nila, walang nilikhang pangit. Ay wait, si Alex pala.
May pa-wait.
My name is Carla Morales, ang Kim Kong Chihuahua ng Pangkalawakan Beauty, na nagsasabing, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, mas pangit siya sa akin.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 2, Miss Carla. All right, let's proceed with our main event, Doc Dex. Candidate number 3, Tony. Tony, also known as Agent X44, Tony Perry pala yun. Oh, wow, may palin. Is wearing a blue velvet gown. Wow! And she's leaning back.
And from the blue corner, Tony.
Ay, wow.
Sabi nila, makontento ka kung anong meron ka. Tingnan mo si Barbie, kahit walang-wala na.
Uy!
Paratang.
My name is Tony, at bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, nag-iiwan po ako ng isang kataga para sa ex ko. Mahal kita noon, maglaway ka ngayon.
Wow! Wala akong masabi, Doc Dex.
Okay.
Tapusin natin ang laban. Tawagin natin ang ika-4 na kandidata. Candidate number 4.
Candidate number 4, Barbie.
Wow! Barbie is wearing also a red ensemble. Wow, malakas. Mahusay.
From the red corner, we have Barbie.
Somebody approached her. She doesn't know who he is. She just said, "Guess who?" Ay, wow.
Ngongo man ako sa inyong alingin. Bakit hindi ka tumingin sa salamin para makita mo kung ano ang lamang ko sa inyong lahat ng nasa likuran? By the way, my name is Barbie Ngot Ortesa, your Miss Great Philippines 2020, na nag-iwan ng isang kataga. Hindi lahat ng naka-face mask ay cute. Yung iba, kagaya ko, bingot.
you, Ate Coring?
Pass. Ang gagaling nila, no?
Ang gagaling.
Ang gagaling, gagaling.
Professional.
Ang gagaling ninyong lahat.
Very witty.